What's up guys, hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks, and today we will be featuring my afternoon walk at Mactan Island Memorial Garden. Did you know that by just simply walking for 30 minutes a day, you get a lot of benefits out of it? It controls your weight, increases self-esteem, lowers anxiety and stress, and lowers your cholesterol level. Mactan Island Memorial Garden is located here in Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City. The reason why I walk here at MIMG is I get to pay my respect to my loved ones and at the same time enjoy the beautiful scenery that they offer. As always, it is best practice to do some warm-up exercise first before enjoying your daily walk. Keep calm and enjoy a quality me time for the remainder of your walk. And remember to have a bahala ginay basta kanunay mindset. After your walk, you can come and visit the koi pond located near the main entrance. A playground for kids is also available for kids to enjoy. Now let's hear the shout out for today's video. From Earl Godornis, Big Daddy Rocks, a shout out said Big Daddy. Shout out to you, Earl Godornis. Thank you for supporting our channel. Nice from Reynaldo Kawaling. Shout out to you, Reynaldo Kawaling. Thank you for supporting our channel. From Car and Use, pa shout out ug sa ako be nga naa sa Batam, Indonesia, Karen. Shout out to you, Karen News. Hope you're doing fine. Thank you for supporting our channel. So guys, if you want to be mentioned in the shout outs on the next video, please feel free to comment in the comment section your message and your location. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. So that's it. Bye for now, and see you again on our next video.